Sabi dito, ang point here is dapat equal ang lahat ng workers for minimum wage. Now, if your business is hikahos, wow, clearly, konyo, then you're really after the greed money or greed of money and not customer satisfaction. You should know the difference. Wow! Feeling ko taga Areneo yung ano nito. Okay, now, I have a question. Pwede mo bang pagsabayin yung kagustuhan mong kumita at yung customer satisfaction? Two truths at the same time. Di ba? Tignan natin kung ano yung magiging sagot ni ate.
This is Pinoy Extreme.